Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level student. So today, actually, I'm not going to take any particular topic, but I want to share syllabus content, and you have to use the website for our website, for the more detailed explanation, then examples, and then the graphs and all those things. Okay, so our website is VisionIGCSE.com. It's it's first one, the VisionIGCSE.com. So you will see this interface, and you have a here IGCSE, AS and A level dashboard, pricing in all part is there. You have to click here, explore, or even you can click here, or even here at the bottom, learn more. Just we have updated all the contents of mathematics. You have the all subjects, these subjects also with their content coming up, we are updating continuously. So we have just completed mathematics, IGCSE mathematics, all the resources. Fine, that's why I wanted to share with you as well. Okay, so here first of all, look at this one. These are the 9 topics you have for mathematics. I hope you can see here, this is your maths updated syllabus for 2028, 29, 20, 30, right? And this is these are the 9 even content overview. You can see the number, algebra, graph, coordinate geometry, then geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, transformation and vector, probability, and statistic part. So these parts I have covered thoroughly. Okay, gone through each and every other topic, subtopics, their explanation. Fine. So here, so you have, if you want to check just how we have prepared content and all, you have these 4 topics free, so you can just use it. Fine, check it out. Let's say, for example, if you don't know the integer part, so what's an integer, how we do the operations and all, these operations are important for the algebraic calculations as well. Here I have added thoroughly, fine, each and every other part. Okay, so even we have covered past paper style question thoroughly. Okay, n number of questions covered for each and every other page. So Bodmer's rules particularly, even for the we have to use for even just core papers as well as extended papers. Okay, core papers you have to use just a basic theory part, and in the algebra part we have to use this Bodmer's rules as well. Okay, so I have covered here the all the things, means just a simplified examples, examples. Okay, from basic to advanced level questions I have covered here. Fine. So for example, if you now, many of the students struggle in the geometry part. Okay, so more specifically angles, then the parallel line concept, what's a symmetry, singularity. So here we have a many interactive panels are there. So the interactive panels help you to understand in n number of different ways actually. So you can just see, for example, here you have a straight line, right? Straight line concept here, if you can move it, just sliding this angle here. All right, then nextly, even you can move out this part as well. Yeah, so then nextly here also you have an angle. Yeah, then parallel line concepts are there. Parallel line concept, what's a alternate angle? Yeah, then corresponding angles. Fine. So corresponding angles also you can change, option to change here. Fine. Then co-interior angle parts are there. So then I have covered here extensively many past year paper questions as well. So we are working to include even more updated version as well. Okay, so circle theorem part, for example, circle theorem part I have covered extensively. No other, I would say, even in my knowledge actually, no other website or somewhere these kind of interactive things, so that it will help you to understand all those things. Okay, so here you can see this, what's angles in the semicircle. Fine. So even you can move anywhere. Yeah, so it will be 90-degree, fine. So these kind of small detailed things we have added so that it will help you to understand each and every other concept. So past paper questions are key to get the A star grade and achieve your potential. And to achieve this your potential, this website actually, I would say, replacement to the your existing books, fine. So the parents actually here check out this website, actually I would say, fine. See, the one more advantage is that I would say the many, actually we get the mails, even WhatsApp messages. I am trying to reply every other time students, okay. Even our team is actually working continuously day and night to just support the student to explore their potentials, fine. And this is one of the plus or addition point for students as well, okay. So we have added this diagrams and all for understanding purpose. Then nextly, the mensuration part. In the mensuration part also we have covered the many questions, okay, extensively. So shapes, their formulas, fine. 3D diagrams are added, yeah. So 3D diagrams particularly help to understand the conceptual part in particularly very well, step by step manner, fine. And you can answer those questions very easily as well, yeah. So that's a advantage of using, okay. And we are coming with even videos as well in the days and months to go particularly, but this is the next phase plan, fine. So I hope it's just a introductory pricing we have put out for $20, fine. So you don't need to buy the books now. It's a $20 for 2 years. So it's a long term for year 9, year 10, fine. And even some other countries actually year 10 and year 11 as well. So it's a 2-year access. Consider as a replacement to your existing books, and more examples are there. I hope you will enjoy it, fine. Enjoy the learning process. We will update you for other subjects as well. Thank you.